Well, hold him.
You
Hold
talk
him.
to me.
Yes, he's talking to you. He wants to give you a hug. See, his arms are wide open. Give him a big hug. You gotta squeeze Elmo.
Can Elmo please have a hug?
Uh-oh.
Daddy, my friend.
He's laying down. You gotta pick him up and give him a hug. Don't we?
Elmo sends you sweet dreams.
See?
A kiss on the cheek.
Where you going?
Turn and go to sleep.
Where you going?
Beautiful things come alive in your dreams. Lay your head down and go to sleep.
Are you gonna give Elmo a hug before he go to sleep? Pick him up. Here.
Good night.
Uh-oh. He's sleepy.
I love you, Elmo.
He loves you too. Give him a hug. Give him a big old hug like you give Daddy a hug. See? He loves the hug.
Please hold Elmo tighter.
Hug him tighter.
Wow, that was a big hug.
Hey, Mommy.
Yes.
Hey, look at Elmo.
Oh, wow. You give him a hug? Give him a hug.
I love you. Hey,
Do it again. Hug him again.
you okay too?
Give him another hug.
Hey, you get a hug.
Elmo loves you.
A big old hug?
Yeah, you get a hug too.
All right, Daddy, give him a hug too. Okay, here's Elmo giving Daddy a hug. Yay!
I will give you.
Elmo loves getting hugs from you.